If you're experiencing crashing issues with League of Legends, follow these steps to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the problem. Step 1. Update your graphics drivers. Ensure that your graphics drivers are up to date. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer, Nvidia, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers. Install them and restart your computer. Step 2. Repair game files. Open the League of Legends client, go to the settings menu, and select the option to repair the game files. This process will check for any corrupted or missing files and replace them. Step 3. Adjust in-game settings. Lower your in-game graphics settings to see if that resolves the crashing issue. Navigate to the settings menu in the game and reduce settings such as resolution, texture quality, and shadows. Step 4. Disable background applications. Close any unnecessary background applications that may be consuming system resources. Use the task manager to end tasks that are not essential while playing League of Legends. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If the previous steps do not resolve the issue, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling League of Legends. This can help fix any persistent issues that may not have been addressed by the repair option. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and potentially fix the crashing issue in League of Legends. If problems persist, consider reaching out to the game's support team for further assistance.